So hello friends, in this video of Power tutorial, Power query in Excel, we will find date is in next year function by using M programming. So M is a language, it is just like any other language like Python, your R, Java, A, B language, whatever language you call it, is just like any other language, and we can use this programming in our Power Query, and it's very easy. So let's go to our data here, psychologist. So this is our data. We have a date here, and we have to find out the next year date from this. So I will just change this to 21 of it. So this one is 21, and now we have to find the next year date. First thing is we will find next year date. So how we can do that? So I will just click over this, then I will go to from table and just convert this data into a table. Our Power Query editor will open, and now I will just change this date to date format, not date time, just date, and replace. Now our date is replaced in date format only. Then I will go to add and click on custom column from here, and before that I will give it a name also, date year. I give this a name, date year. Now I will go to custom column. I just click outside, and then I will click on custom column. So after clicking on custom column, a window will appear, and I type name next year date. So how to find a next year date? We put some date here. So first of all I will put date, then I will put dot is in, then next, then I will put y next year. So there are two formula. We have to take this one, date next year, because we just have to need to find the next year date only. So I just click over this, but some thing is added here, so we have to remove that. Then I will go there and open this and double click over this and close the bracket and press OK. So a new column will be added, and it show which date comes in the next year. So all these are false, this is true, this is next year. Whichever date is in the next year, it will show. Again for next 3 years, what we can do, we again go to custom column, go here and type, we give a name, a column name, date next 3 years. Again I will go here and type date. We also have a previous year also. If you want to find out the previous year, we can also find previous month, that we can find. So all these things can be found from this. So this time we are only doing this, date is in next year. This formula we will take. Just remove this, we don't need this. Bracket open, select our date here, comma, and just type 3 here, because for last 3 years, and then press OK. So we have a false here, and some values are true because they falls in the next 3 years. We can take some other examples also, like if you go to custom columns and we have to find out the previous year. So I go here, click here and type date dot is in previous year. We can take from here also, date is in previous years, or we can say previous year also. Date is in previous year. So we will take this, because we need to find out the date of the previous year only. We just remove this, then I go there, bracket open, and just click on date and just close the bracket and press OK. So we have next column here, and we can find if this is in the previous year or not. Others are showing false. Now we can go to home and close and load. So when we will close and load, the data will be appear in a new sheet. Here is our data, so it's showing false, true, and all the answers here. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much for watching.